Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's Portia with Portia Fit. This is our meditation practice together. How is it going? We are more than halfway through our challenge. And like I said last time, this has been a wonderful experience and very useful for me in my life and what's going on. I'm just seeing so much better and things are really starting to appear. And I'm just very grateful and I feel very thankful every day. It's definitely not perfect, far from it. um, but there's always light. And that's the one thing that always keeps me going, that keeps me from stopping because of hurt, pain, disappointment. It's no matter how hard things have been in my life, there's always something that's exciting and something to look forward to. And that can be as simple as I'm healthy. My body works. I feel great. I have a smile on my face. Honestly, what more can you ask for, right? So I just keep things into perspective, and I've looked forward to meditating with all of you every single day. So thank you so much for challenging me to get up in front of the camera and get up really early to do this. Thank you. Okay. With your practice, please, if you guys have any questions, if you're struggling with anything within our quiet time of our meditation, please reach out to me. Like I've said, you might be having thoughts that you're not comfortable with, and that makes you not want to show up to meditate. So whatever it is that's keeping you from showing up every day with me to meditate, message me that, email me that, so that we can talk through it and you can keep showing up for yourself. Like, you don't want to stop. You want to keep trying, keep doing it. You will have breakthroughs. This is what I tell my clients when I train them. It's like, you have to keep showing up. You will see the transformations in your body, but you have to give yourself enough time to see the transformation. And once the transformation is seen, you are sold. Yes. And there's no more struggles. And actually, you are more excited to go through the challenges because because you see with your eyes, you feel it in your body, what's happening, that you're moving closer to your goal. Okay, today's meditation is going to be another 10 minutes. Soon, probably tomorrow, we will jump to 12 minutes, but 10 minutes for today. I have my blanket just in case it gets a little bit cooler. We will set 10 minutes. Be in your comfortable position. If you're on your back, maybe start to sit up and sit up against a wall, propping yourself up. You're sitting and being, and also journeying into a state of deep relaxation. Heightened awareness, where we become more in tune with our surroundings, nature, and more in tune with what's going on within us. Taking full, slow, deep breaths. slowing the breath down calms the body down. It calms the mind. Keep your eyes closed and bring warmth back into your joints. Move your ankles, your fingers, toes and ankles. Ooh. Maybe there's a stretching. Maybe you feel like nodding your head yes and no. Ooh. Sit up tall, face me, and we'll open our eyes. Welcome back. How do you feel? I feel really great. So my hope is that you feel calm and you feel hopeful and you have something to be excited about today. And I hope you do, because look forward to coming back together tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.